This is Lesson 18 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. In this lesson, we introduce a variable speed light circuit. It is an electronic circuit which will make LEDs blink on and off at different rates of speed. The schematic diagram for a variable speed light circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has schematic symbols that you were taught in previous lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from Lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to make LEDs blink on and off. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink on and off at different speeds. To vary the speed of the blinking lights, the circuit uses a potentiometer connected to the 555 timer IC. On page 18, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot dancing to the variable speed lights that are blinking. Engineers designed this circuit to run on 9 volts DC. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here's a variable speed light circuit using 4 resistors, a 555 timer IC, a potentiometer, a capacitor, and 2 LEDs. Please put a circle around the schematic symbol of the capacitor on the schematic diagram at the bottom right hand of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this variable speed light circuit? 2. That this variable speed light circuit uses a 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink with a potentiometer to vary the speed of the blinking. And 3. How to spell and pronounce variable speed light circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 18. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.